Hello guys, we are out camping and Daddy's right here. Daddy's right here cooking food. Daddy's right here cooking food.
Hi baby.
And this is Mommy sitting down with me.
Hi guys.
And this is Micah walking.
Say hi, Malika.
Malika walking?
And we are camping and eat marshmallows in the night. They were so good. I like the marshmallows and I bite it. And here's Micah's. And here's the table right here. My daddy's cooking egg and plantain, guys. So we go to eat egg and plantain. This egg and plantain so yummy.
So one of the favorite pastime here in North America is camping. My family has never gone camping before, except today. So today we're on our way for our first camping exploration, right? So in today's video, guys, we'll be going on our first camping trip. Come along for this video, guys. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Before we hit the road though, we're at Walmart. We're gonna go inside and grab a few essentials. Grab some ice, grab some here and there. Come along, guys. And just like that, guys, it's time to hit the road. So the campsite that we're staying is located 20 minutes ballpark outside of the city. Not too far. It's our first time going camping, so we didn't want to go in the bush, even though it's kind of like technically bush, just the same. But nonetheless, 20 minutes and we're there. Taking you guys with us. Don't forget to do what? Like, you think them know?
Like, share, subscribe,
and comment, of course. Let me know if you guys have ever gone camping before, or what tips would you guys share for a newbie like us who have never been camping before. What tip would you guys share that would be very useful to us? Let us know in the comment section. Let's go.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all, I had a feeling but is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. 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 Feeling is all gone.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on.
This is so adventurous for us.
Nice. Yes, guys, welcome to our home for the next couple days. We are officially at our campsite, our location, and we are in the bush. What's strange, guys, is we never thought that we would have been doing this. We used to see this on TV and we were like, yo, why you want to go in the bush? But here we are. Here we are living the Canadian dream. So we have these two lookout chairs. Now there's a river right down there, man. Yeah, can go swimming. Up in the mountains, guys.
Daddy, where's the river?
The river is all the way over there. All the way over there. Anyways, guys, I want to give you guys a little tour of Malia. Mind drop over the hill, please. Come this way. First, before we go inside, let's show you guys the outside first. So on the outside, we have this picnic table. Yeah, we still eat the marshmallows, baby. We have this nice picnic table right here. We have this propane fire pit. We have a barbecue grill right here. We have a firewood fire pit right here, but there's a fire ban right now, so we can't use that. And this is our bathroom right here. Bush life. Bush life, guys. This is our bathroom. Zip it around.
What is it? Daddy, what is it?
So this is what our bathroom is looking like.
Why? Why
There we go.
why is bathroom?
Okay, let's close this guy around. Okay, and let's go and look inside now. So this is a dome. So you have different types of camping. Of course, you can set up a tent or you can get a dome. So we rented this dome. Very affordable actually. Now let's go and see what the inside is looking like. On your moon. Okay guys, now we are inside the dome. Let's show you guys what it is looking like. So this is what it looks like when you just walk in. Isn't this the most beautiful place ever? Alrighty, now we have a fridge, a little mini fridge, freezer, a little mini fridge right here. We have some pots and stuff underneath here. Not bad. We have a wood burning fireplace right here. If it gets too cold, we have an AC going because it's not freezing, it's so hot, it's burning up these last couple of days. We have some lights for when it gets dark. Have some towels. We have to go and shower in the river or find somewhere else. We are in the bush, guys, so we have no real bathroom facility. But there's a shower close by, but we're gonna have to do a little hike to get there. And we have a little bed right here. This is a queen size bed. It's nice. It's a queen size bed right here. And of course, we can't leave our handbags, which is our kids. So we have this little bed here, so which the two of them are gonna sleep on, head to tail. Have a little couch or a love seat is called right here. Lights right there as well. Beautiful. This is what it's looking like, guys. So this is where we're gonna be for the next couple nights. We're gonna be here for 2 nights. So yeah, let's come along for the adventure.
And look at this we have. We have a nice bed right here for me and Marika. It's so cute. This bed's so cute. I wish I will get this bed and bring it home. And we have a fluffy bed and camera.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love. Sometimes life will push you down, make you fall onto the ground. But I know you will turn it around. Oh, this is all we got, and I know you'll make mistakes.
Well, jerk chicken because it's seasoned with jerk sauce and some corn and stuff. And then Malia is excited to do some marshmallow. Excited to do the marshmallow? Gonna do the marshmallow when it gets a little bit darker, okay? Okay, baby. So that's what's on the agenda right now, guys. Food time. Alright guys, so we have some chicken. well seasoned already. Gonna just do like a part of this, cause we're not really that hungry to be honest, but you know we're out there so we do the experience, right? So that's what it's all about. Waiting on the grill to get hot.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes.
Alright guys, so the boat land. Some grilled chicken and some veg. Natsy's doing marshmallow right here. Malia, you're not gonna eat the marshmallow? Take a bite. Is it soft enough? Yeah.
You want to do one by yourself? Eat that one first. Eat that one first and let you do one. Okay.
But we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know.
Guys, it's nighttime. You can barely see me. We're outside right now trying to hunt a bathroom to see if we can find somewhere to bed. Holy moly, let's see what's going on. Turn on the bright there. Zip line? So guys, we are in our dome. So dark. We were not successful in finding the bathroom, so here we are. Here we are, guys. Malia is right there. Malika gonna sleep right. Oh, I'm sorry. Malika not sleeping. Yeah, so we're just lying down looking at a few stars over the overhead. is so nice and calming. The night lights. This is our ceiling, guys. So that's what our ceiling is looking like. Stars. Make a wish. You need a shooting star for Make a Wish? Anyways, guys, going to bed now. See you guys in the morning. Morning, guys. Somehow, these guys end up in the bed, and I end up on this small thing right here. Last night was rough. So you guys saw the bathroom outside, guys, and we had to make a few midnight trips to the bathroom, like between 1 and 2 a.m. Outside is scary. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wake up these guys and yeah, let's see what else we get up to for the rest of the morning. And I'm not even sure if you guys are seeing me, but the sun is just coming up. We didn't succeed in finding the showers last night, so we're gonna try and find the showers again this morning because we need to bathe, brush our teeth and stuff. So let's see if we can be successful when the light is out rather than when it's dark. Guys, it's now 5:45 a.m. and I decided that I'm gonna go and try and find the bathroom before Nats wake up. Beautiful scenery, guys. Beautiful scenery. Nice. Gonna come and have breakfast right here in a bit. Well, in a couple hours when they decide to wake up. Yeah, that's what our home looks like for the next couple nights. Now I'm gonna try and find a bathroom, guys. This campsite's supposed to have a bathroom. So let's go and find it. Last night I was terrified that there was a bear that was gonna come by our dome. Because this area has so many bears and wild animals. So I was low-key sleeping with one eye open. I was literally sleeping with one eye open, guys. But we made it through the night. And we can say, yes, we had this adventure. We have another night to go. Restraining device. Okay. That's a zip lining I have out here. Yeah, we can say that we made it. We made it, and it's now in the history books for adventure. Now let's see if we can find this freaking bathroom. Another unsuccessful attempt again, guys. I'm gonna wait until the campsite, I'd say, operator or somebody gets here, because the place is lonely. It seems like we're the only ones who are here. So there's nobody to ask or anything, and we can't find a bathroom. So we have to wait. Bush life. Rise and shine, sleeping beauty. Did you notice I got evicted out the bed?
A long time.
This one right here, and that one over there. So how was your first night sleeping in the bush?
Yes, This was good.
That's
This is
good.
the only bush I want to sleep in, though.
Hmm?
This is the only bush I want to sleep in.
It looks comfy.
It is comfy.
Rise and shine and give you the glory.
The sun need to come out now.
Still early?
Yeah, man, still early. The sun need to come out.
Yeah. So we're gonna brush our teeth and those beautiful
The
stuff.
water is here.
Okay.
Remember, water is here. You can brush
So we're gonna bush life
we
it
need,
out.
we need to go and bathe, though.
We need to find somewhere and go and bed.
I need to bathe.
Bush life. Okay. And then we're gonna do some breakfast and stuff. Oh, there, okay. Alright guys, that's what our morning is looking like so far. Just getting started. It's cold, guys. It's cold. But you know what else? It's a cold world. So you know what you gotta do? Gotta adapt, right?
From all the information that you provided with it, they're going to tell you what you qualify for, if you qualify for anything.
Oh, you lock up all that someone.
I'm not supposed to lock up. I'll push it in there, so. Push it in.
And then this leaves your all the way around. You must have pinned something up.
No, I didn't pin nothing up top. It's foggy outside. Over everywhere. On the bottom too, I think. I don't know.
My guy there. That YouTube channel.
Who? Sun coming out. Blanky. You look, Malika, what you looking for? If you can see her legs, it's on many there, baby.
Doing nothing, that's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's always 66 and keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do.
Into the Manchester United penalty area he goes. Hannibal on the turn, lifts it over the top. Decides a goal that Burnley have had so far. So good for Manchester
Yes guys, so we're gonna be doing some breakfast. We're gonna do some fried plantain and some eggs, and we have some bologna as well. There's nothing better than cooking in nature while watching your favorite team, Manchester United, kill aside. Yes guys, so Malia is right here. Malia is cold. So we got this fire going right here guys because it's really cold outside, but we're toughing it out, right Malia? Yes guys, so that's what's going on.
the ball back as just was.
Watkins comes from distance at pace and
A squirrel? There's a
That's
squirrel.
one not off the tree.
Oh, up at the top of the tree. Oh, there it is. There's a little squirrel. At the top of the tree. Bush life, eh?
Put it side. Pick your foot. Up.
The commentator keeps calling him Armor.
On the highway, it's our way. Route 66.
Why not play
Keep
Keon
on
instead of
driving,
Cologne?
we just do what we wanna do.
Why is Ahmad suddenly
Oh, there you go.
Songs on the radio, singing to the words that we don't know how.
Careful, Malika.
Brings out the wildness. Let's just run
Good job. Good job. Come on.
Yeah, come on, try.
Simon.
What's up to do? Let's turn one and show us what to do. I can't do the foot, I'm sitting. What else? Touch your head. Head. Your mouth. What is this? Nose. Ears. Mouth.
Very concerned about the
Head.
balance of this.
My shoulder.
We absolutely
I don't know what that means. You're fighting the floor, girl.
I'm driving,
What
you're
else?
smiling.
Head.
Just really
Say head.
doing
Head.
nothing. That's the thing I like about you.
Face.
Face. Face and mouth.
On the highway, it's
Just the
our way.
face?
Route
You're not
66.
recognized, but
Keep
it's
on
touching the
driving,
face.
we just do
What's
what we
that?
wanna do.
What is this?
Yeah, no,
Clap.
nothing's complicated
Clap.
with you.
Head.
Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out
Eye.
the let's just run
Nose.
Yeah, I could drive the whole along. Be with you as the
Head.
beat of the rodeo house. Brings out the rose. I got a little crush on
Shoulders.
Shoulders.
Here.
Now, can it get better?
Yeah, the bird. The bird.
you. Say
Blackbird.
I'm crazy, it's just
Yeah, bush life, yes, sir.
every time that I'm with you.
Okay, come on, dance for you. Come,
Hospital.
dance, let me see.
Talk to me.
Come here, come here. Dance right here, dance, let me see. Dance. Show me the moves. Show me the moves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dancing.
Yeah.
That's the move.
Hello guys, we out camping and then we were sleeping in the night and I just see the stars like yellow and white. Like
What
I
else?
did camping and we eat marshmallows in the night and then Daddy's cooking food for me and Mommy and Marika and him. See this, Mommy.
Yes. Hi, Mom. Hi, guys.
And there's Daddy.
That's Daddy.
Hi, baby. Hi.
And here's Marika.
Malika, say hi.
Monica, say hi. Sister
Come,
vlogging,
sister
mommy.
vlogging, sister's
Dada
vlogging.
wanna say hi. Good job.
The Premier Leaguers. Ruben Amorim. His breath.
Good job, baby. Good job.
Hey.
Good job, baby.
turn them around. Manchester City, and that will be their next opposition once we resume from the break. Yellow card for Bruno Fernandes.
I'm driving, your smile just really doing
Some more cooking outside, man. That's salami. That's salami, I feel like it.
driving, we just do what we wanna do.
Attack threat.
Yeah,
Foster.
Oh, believe.
it's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. This brings out the wildness. Let's just run away.
Third time is a charm. We are going on a bathroom hunt again. We need to bathe, so we're gonna try it. This time we're gonna definitely find a shower. There's probably somebody around who we can ask now. We're also gonna take our garbage with us because we can't leave it outside because this is what attracts bears and stuff like that, the scent. So we're gonna take it and dispose of it somewhere else. So come along, guys, as we try to find somewhere to shower. Not feel nasty.
Yes.
Look at Malia giving trouble. Come go up in the car. Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah.
Molly, are you having fun camping?
Yeah.
What do you like most about it?
Marshmallow.
You like the marshmallow? You like roasting the marshmallow? Malika, what about you? Malika? Watch her. Go on, actually not enjoy it. What do you like most about camping so far?
This spot.
This spot? Nice.
Yes, it is.
Not gonna lie. Over there's a nice see. I would say Grand Prairie don't have any mountains.
This is the mountain. It's a mountain?
What is that then?
I don't know. Maybe.
What's that? A valley?
A valley? The valley? The hills?
The hills. Okay, third time's a charm. Let's go and see if we can find the RV park, and then across from there's a gate. We need to put in a code. I don't remember seeing a gate that require a code, but
Let's see.
let's see. Third time's a charm, guys. Hey guys, I think we are cooking with gas. What the code again?
Yes, okay. 249.
Find the bathroom, guys. Yeah. Finally find the bathroom, guys. Our crew one step closer to the bathroom at least. Registered guests only, no pets. Would that be it? Oh, washroom.
Yes, you said
Washroom.
yeah,
Yeah. Okay. We found it. So I haven't not bathed in what, around 15 hours. Time to go in and see what this bathroom is like. Me first. Did you take out the towel to take care? Oh, here's the towel. Thank you. Okay guys, bush life. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have a shower now. And then Nuts and the girls are gonna have a shower. And then we'll tune in back when we're hitting the road again. Guys, bush life. Bush life. Bush life. Yes guys, so everybody's all bathed and freshened up and ready for the road. So we're heading to a barbecue right now, guys. Inclusive Grand Prairie is putting on a barbecue, which is the Peace Autism Society of our community. So we're going there to support it first and foremost. Of course, you know, we are a part of that group because of Malika. That's so loud. So we're going there right now, guys, stopping by for a bit. So come along. That's what we have mostly planned for today. We're heading into the city. So come along, guys, until we get to our destination.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew, my will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately, the other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone.
What? You got your what we were doing was when we crossed our arms, we gave ourselves a big hug. Like this. Are you happy? I think so. Yes, you're happy. Like this?
That's a unicorn?
Do you want to see your unicorn? That's you. Do you like it?
Do you like it, Malia? Say thank you.
Yay,
Say
high
thank
five.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi. How's it going? Necklace.
Okay, Malika. Let's try and see if she'll get it done.
Marika?
Let's try. Good job, Malia.
Okay.
Malika. Put her to sit and see how she react.
Can I get a face painting, mommy?
Can we call you?
Year and a half.
And then we think you can go to Edmonton East Coast.
Like, do you want to see your unicorn? you like it?
Do you like it, Malia? Say
Yay,
thank you. Say
high
thank
five.
you.
Yeah, thank you. Hi. How's it going?
Okay, Malika.
Do you want to get it?
Let's try and see if she'll get it done.
Malika?
Let's try. Good job, Malia.
Okay.
Malika. Put her to sit and see how she react.
Can I get a face painting, mommy?
Can we call you?
Year and a half.
And then you can go to Edmonton East Coast.
Avoided that. That's not finished. That part is not done as of yet. That could be still on the horizon. But you have 2 weeks for that.
Um,
You are trying to block.
For example, we have made massive investment in manner development and in range. These are that will bring production.
All of the principles by partisanship that we have been proposing in years before.
Absolutely not. And we believe in something.
Night number 2, guys. It's now 11 o'clock at night. That's what the sky is looking like. I was kind of hoping the northern lights would have came out, but no northern lights, so this is how we got working with. We're gonna go in now, retire to bed. Tomorrow is another day. We're gonna go to the river tomorrow and all those fun things. There's nuts in the bush washing our hand. Morning, family.
Morning.
Another day.
Yes, it is.
Here we are again, guys. We have to turn on this fireplace because inside here got so cold this morning and last night.
I just get so cold.
Inside got so cold.
Yeah.
Is Malia still cold?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get ourselves saddled up now and go and brush our teeth and then go and get some breakfast. Well, go and make some breakfast. Alright guys, this is our front door. Don't think I showed you guys. It's now 7 o'clock in the morning. Late start to today. We're gonna go to the river today.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. I could take you back to my youth,
Just take me
show
back to
you
my
what
days
I
in
wish I
Portland.
knew. My will
my
is
gosh.
strong with the place.
Anyways, quick bathroom run. Tune in just a second. In case you guys are just tuning in, this is our bathroom. These couple days just brought me right back to my childhood. I was born in Portland, Jamaica. I was raised in Spanish Town, but every summer I would go back and forth to Portland. So this kind of just take me back to those naturistic part of my journey growing up and just being outdoors and being outside and using outside bathroom and so forth so on. So I say all of that to say all of this. We don't know what the future holds. And sometimes we find ourselves in situations where we feel it's impossible and we feel like this is all life has to offer. But keep pushing, guys, because in another couple of years you might be in a situation where you'd never dreamt of, or you didn't dream of, or you just never imagined that would have been possible. So that's what I want to leave with you guys in this vlog right now. Right, so Dutch is here, so she's been a little bit quiet. She's probably cold, sitting outside. But as we are about to embark on our last day here, if you had to sum up your experience for somebody who is probably thinking about it and don't think that they're that type, what has your experience been?
That this is like away from the noise. I love that. And the fact that I was able to see stars. It's been a while since I've seen
Yeah,
stars
that's
here.
true, that's true.
So it was nice seeing stars again, and yeah, it was just quiet time with my family. I love that.
And Nas drop asleep must have from 6 o'clock last night.
I was
and
tired the
sleep
night
through
before
the
we
entire
went. We
night.
were up until I was up until like 3 o'clock. So
Now we should be up, man. Up. I was lonely last night. I was up until probably 1 o'clock. Just by myself, lonely, looking at the stars.
I was tired.
But all in all, though, guys, I think this is a great experience for us, and we're happy that we're able to give our girls the opportunity to experience this life. You know, growing up in Canada, even though Grand Prairie is not so much of a big city, it's easy to be caught up in just like the cycle of work, home, and so forth, so on, same routine, yeah. And sometimes our kids don't get the opportunity to experience these things. Like, you know, growing up in Jamaica is almost like innate. It's almost natural for you to just know about fruit trees and go in the countryside and, like, you know, so forth, so on, go to the river and stuff like that. But here it's not necessarily like available that much. You have to go out your way almost to provide your kids with that opportunity. So we're happy that we're able to do it. And we have one right now. Being very clingy. She's just like at it, right? But I don't know, we're happy that we're able to do it. As you guys saw in the beginning of the vlog, Malia is so excited. She enjoyed the marshmallow and roasting it over the fire. Roasting it over the fire, and she gave you guys a little tour and so forth, so on. So yeah, just from that perspective, and even Malika, like, she handled it very well. She wasn't, and I think this is like the perfect environment for Malika as well, because like there's no noise and no lights, and it's just calm, and you realize that she's been very calm.
She's calm.
Yeah, she's been very calm over the past couple of days. So if you guys are thinking about it, absolutely do it. And I know the $1 million question is gonna come in the comments. I'm gonna address it. How much did it cost us to do this? Now, this company, they started operating probably a month and a half or so now, so it's fairly new still. So it cost us $99 per night to get the spot, and the only thing that we really had to do was to just bring food and clothes. That's it. Everything else was here, like, for example, all the grill, the utensils, all of that was already here, and so forth, so on. I'm not gonna name the company because I paid full price. As I was saying, I will not be sharing the name of the company that operates this business in this video, just because this is not a partnership video. It's not a collaboration between me and them. We had to pay full price to be here. But what I will say is, if you guys want to know the name of the company, feel free to just drop it down in the comment section, and I will connect with you on a one-on-one basis and let you know the name if you're in the Grand Prairie region, or if you're even in BC, or you want to come and explore and experience Grand Prairie. definitely connect with me. And I cannot, you know, the name of the company, no problems. But I'm not gonna be putting the name in this vlog right here. Right? So now we're gonna go and make some breakfast. The kids are acting up because we took away their tablets. So I had to go on a little walk so that they don't make too much noise in this vlog. So now we're gonna be making some breakfast. Standard egg is what we have on the menu for this morning. So yeah, stick and stay.
You want blanket?
Come and sit on the table. Okay, let's ask you a question for the vlog, okay? What do you think about camping? Do you like it?
Yeah.
What do you like most about camping?
The bed.
You like the bed?
Yeah.
Look at daddy. Look in the camera right here. Do you wanna come camping again?
Yeah.
When do you wanna come camping again?
Tomorrow.
You wanna come back tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you do when you were camping?
Playing bucket.
Hey, what?
Playing the bucket.
Play the what?
I play in the bed.
Oh, you played in the bed?
Yeah.
You like brushing your teeth outside?
Yeah.
And you like to use the toilet outside?
Then I like spitting the water out the
On the ground.
and then like
So what should I show? Spitting the water on the ground? Oh, do you spit the water on the ground?
Show daddy, show daddy, show daddy.
Malia likes spitting the water on the ground. Okay. Malika, you are back there. Come here. Come closer to the camera. Come here. You like camping too? No, you're not upon that. Yeah. Yeah, I know. You like it. You're just pretending not to. Because you had the best time.
No, Malika didn't have the best time.
Who had the best time? Who had the best time?
Mommy.
Mommy had the best time?
Why do
Yeah.
you say mommy had
Is
the
that
best
true?
time?
Did you have the best time?
Yeah.
According to her, yeah.
No, I'm
Yes,
asking
but for
you.
me-
Did you have the
yeah,
best
I
time?
think so.
Yeah.
Okay. Alrighty.
Malia,
Thank
why
you
do
for...
say I had the best time. Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause you have a best time with the flowers.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for agreeing to interview for the vlog. Thank you, Malia.
Thank you. You're welcome, Daddy.
And just like that, we're on the road again, guys. So we're driving to a river right now to see what it's all about, to kill some time. And
Dada, are you driving to a river?
yes, Malia, we're driving to a river. The place is so smoky. There seems to be like a wildfire somewhere. Because all we can see is just smoke.
Daddy, why are you driving to the river?
I don't know, baby. Why do people go to the river?
Alright, everybody drive to the river.
Why do everybody drive to the river? Yeah, you're maybe not gonna be able to see it clearly, but all of that is just smoke. Lots and lots of smoke. car is going the other way.
Yeah, we're going this way.
Going this way.
Over there.
I think I straight to a go park. We could go around and see what we're going. Or you want park and walk? You know, I feel like we should park. Yeah, let's park. Because we don't know where we're going. Come this way.
Okay, this way have to live here?
I think so. Come, Alia. Yeah, I think this is just the park. Probably we'll have to go drive, go further.
Daddy, look at that river.
Yes, baby.
Daddy, why are you going closer to it?
So we're gonna go and look. Spend some time.
Also, we went fishing was over that side.
Over there, sir?
That direction.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy.
So most people like that just fishing and boating.
Careful, Malia.
Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Come on, Mama. You're in the gym, man. You can do it. The water look, I'd say cleanish compared to the other one we always go. Alright guys, that was so fun. We were there for a couple of hours. Now we're gonna be heading back to our campsite. Hang out for the rest of the day. Chill, so on and so forth. For the entire 2 days that we've been here, we haven't actually just binged and do absolutely nothing. So that's what is on the agenda for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here right now, seeing that there's nothing interesting to show you guys for the rest of the day. If you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys haven't already subscribed to the Anderson's Family YouTube channel, what are you waiting on? Please take a second to hit that subscribe button, smash a like on this vlog, and let me know in the comment section, have you ever gone camping, or is it on your agenda to go camping? Thank you guys again. See you guys in the next video.